gorgeous people, the Sam Bazaar's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Surprise Sunday, and I have some surprise friend mail. Guys, I love friend mail. It is so super fun. Now, the reason why I wanted to get this video in today, even though I already released a video, is because I'm not really sure how long some of this friend mail has been sitting in my P.O. box, because I don't check my P.O. box that often. I know I need to make sure I get there at least once a week, so I'm going to try to get myself in a cycle where I'm doing that, but you guys really don't care about any of that, do you? Without further ado, let's see what I got in this friend mail! Okay, guys, so before I get started in the friend mail, I'm going to go ahead and show you what I got in my last EarFleek. I did cancel my EarFleek subscription because they weren't sending earrings that I really were like wowed with, so I thought, why keep doing it? You know what I mean? All right, so here's the EarFleek. This is the little bubble wrapped envelope it comes in, and this month they sent me, comes in a little mesh bag, super cute. Let's see. They say they're worth $15.99. Wow! Ooh, these are cute. And they're broken! Is this what happens when you cancel, guys? I'm just saying, my hair is in my mouth. Is this what happens when you cancel? They just send you broken stuff? I'm just saying. I have never gotten a broken earring from them ever, but it's honestly not a big deal. I mean, I'll just like hook it back up. I mean, I do make and sell jewelry, so this isn't a big deal, but you know, it does kind of suck when things come in damaged, but the earrings are cute, whatever. I'll wear them, you know, but again, not wowed by it, so that's why I went ahead and canceled the subscription. So that's that. I'll get to that later. I did put it in a place I could get to it. I know it looked like I just kind of threw it away, but I didn't. I'm gonna wear those earrings. For real. Okay, guys, let's jump into the friend mail. That's the most fun part about this video. So my first piece of friend mail is from Jean Louise. And I was really surprised to get this because I didn't know I was getting anything from her. So thanks for the pleasant surprise, Jean. So here's the little envelope that she sent to me. And I love this. Look, it's like outlined. How cute is that? Love it. Great. All right, let's open this up and see what Jean sent to me. Ooh. She taped it good. She taped it good, guys. Let's see what she's got in here. Love Jean Louise. If you guys aren't subscribed to her channel, make sure you jump over and check her out. And you know, I need to go over. Oh, Jean. Okay, this is sweet. It says, love ya. How cute is that, guys? Aww. Aw, Jean. Okay. Ooh, there's all kinds of stuff in here. Okay, hold on. We're going to put that right there. I don't want it to fall. Amber, happy Valentine's Day. Love, Jean Louise. XOXO. How cute. So this was a Valentine's thing. This is what I'm saying. I don't know how long some of this stuff's been in my box, and I feel really bad. Ooh, felt hearts. Yay! So can you guys see these? Okay, so this one's pink, and then she's got red ones in here too. So what they are is they have sticky backs. So I can use these on crafting projects and whatever, but I'm just saying this is awesome. Yes, thank you, Jean. Yay! I'm excited. Oh, how sweet. And then we have, oh, stop it. My mom loves daisies. Guys, this is so perfect. My mom loves daisies. So I would have planted these at my house, but I think my mom would appreciate them more. So I am going to plant those at my mom's house because that is her favorite flower. I send her daisies every year for her birthday. So I think she would appreciate it more than I would. So I'm going to give these to my mom, Jean. Thank you. This is awesome. A Shasta daisy. She's going to love this. Yes. So that's awesome. Thank you, Jean. That is so sweet. Oh, I love it. So what I was going to say before Jean just touched me with her beautiful card here was that I haven't made it over to Jean's channel in a little while, and I fell behind because my fiance's, for those of you who care, you guys can fast forward through this part. I'll put timestamps in my description box for those of you who don't care. But my ex-fiance, I don't know what we are. I don't know. We're working on things. He's Noah's dad. That's why I always call him Noah's dad. Anyways, he's been home because he was off of work, and it was really hard for me to watch you ladies because, I mean, he's just the most annoying person on earth when you're trying to do something and he thinks it's funny. So I'm trying to watch you guys. I'm interested in your videos. I love watching your videos, but I couldn't do that because he's so annoying and he's always just like there, you know? So I don't know. Anyways, I'm going to be getting caught up on all of the channels as much as I possibly can very soon. Work has been a headache for me lately. Like oh my God, guys. work has been like a nightmare. It's one of those things where when you're done with work for the day, you just lay down and just crash. Yes, my job is like a desk job, but mentally it is very exhausting, and I just don't think some people realize that. And that's another thing Noah's dad thinks. He doesn't think I do anything all day because I'm not doing manual labor. Well, just because my job isn't manual labor doesn't mean that it's not exhausting for me. And believe me, all of those reports that I take care of and all the things that I do for the company is mentally exhausting. So sometimes when I'm done for the day, I don't feel like doing anything else. So I literally just lay down. Sometimes I crash for a few hours and then I get up a little bit later so that I can edit my video for the next day. That's just my crazy life. At any rate, thank you so much, Jean. This was so super sweet. I really appreciate it. And I promise, hold me to it. I will be over to your channel to catch up very soon. Okay, so the next one, also a pleasant surprise, was not expecting this at all, is from Sheila. So if you guys haven't seen Sheila, her channel is called Face and Fashions. She does all kinds of try-on videos, thrifty hauls, personal stylist hauls, and beauty boxes, and just all kinds of fun stuff. So make sure you guys jump over and check her out, because she also likes to do some crafting too, which I think is personally pretty awesome. So this package here came from Sheila. It was in my P.O. box. I don't know how long it was there. I don't know if there's dates on here or not, but anyways, yeah, let's see what she sent to me. I'm so super excited. So I do have scissors back here, guys. Normally I pre-open stuff, but I'm not sure why I didn't pre-open this, but I didn't. So let's do that now. We'll get her opened. Maybe I'll play some music for you guys while I'm opening this. I don't know. We'll have to see. Okay. So it's opened. Okay. I don't want to show any address kind of stuff. So here's the package. All right. So let's open this up. All right. Let's see what we've got here. Okay. Hold on, guys. Oh, Sheila! Oh, how sweet! Oh, so it's a book for my son, and it says Noah visits the zoo. It is personalized for my son. Look at that, guys! Oh, how sweet! Oh, Sheila, I love it. I love it. And he loves for me to read to him, and he loves books. That is something that he absolutely loves. This is beautiful, Noah. Sheila, this is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh, thank you. Oh, this is so sweet. I can't wait to read this to him. This is going to be so much fun. And he's learning how to read, so he might recognize some of the words as I'm reading them to him. So this is beautiful, Sheila. Oh my gosh, thank you. I mean, this is beautiful. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, that was such an unexpected surprise. Sheila, that was so super sweet of you. Oh my gosh, that's so awesome. I love this. Love this. I always struggle with where to put stuff. You guys know that. Okay, so the next package, I am going to make sure I don't show off addresses here, came from, can you guys see me? Mary Catherine Loves Cats. So she also sent me a little something, and it came a while ago, but I wanted to do all these in the same day because I knew that I was getting some of it I wasn't sure of. So at any rate, you guys know all that. Let's see what Mary sent to me, and it's for me and my son. If you guys haven't checked out Mary Catherine Loves Cats, make sure that you check out her channel. She just had a short video for a small channel like ours. It went viral. She got over 9,000 views. So congrats to her. Awesome job, Mary. I love it, love it, love it. Keep doing videos like that, girl, and you are going to be probably the most popular one among us. I'm just saying. You go, girl. All right, let's open this up and see what she sent to me. I'm pretty sure this one's from her because there's no names on it. I don't think so. Hold on. There might be a personal note. Oh, yeah, there is. Okay, so it's definitely from Mary. It says, a gift for you. This was sent directly to me from Amazon. It says, Dear Amber and Noah, I wanted to thank you so much for making me feel so special and for loving me so much. Oh, you touched my heart beyond words. I hope this will bring some peace and joy into your world. Love you both. Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Oh, thank you, Mary. That is so sweet. Make sure I keep the little note. Now let's see what she sent. Okay, so it says LED calming ocean projector. It's a sleep relaxation bundle. Oh, this looks awesome. Oh, I think my son is going to love this. Oh, this is fun. I'm sorry, guys. I'm looking at it and not showing it to you. Look at this. Ah, so awesome. Oh, Mary, how sweet. I am excited. I kind of want to like open the rest of it because I want to see. I've never had anything like this before. So this is new to me. So let's go ahead and just kind of open up the thing and see what we got going on here. Okay, so it's got a lot of different pieces and parts. It looks like you have to, you know, assemble it a little bit. But, okay, so we have like the little projector thing right here. And then I'm not sure what all of this is. I will look it up. But thank you, Mary. This is awesome. I'm super excited. I know that he's going to love it. This is going to be so fun for him, especially. Because it looks like it has like a calming projection of like oceans and stuff. So that's really cool. I mean, according to the picture here. So, yay! I'm so excited. Thank you, Mary. That is so sweet. Ah, that is fun. Okay, so this last box is from Tiffany, and her channel is Tiffany Wears T-Shirts. So if you guys haven't jumped over to Tiffany's channel, which I'm sure most of you have, make sure that you jump over and check her out. She's got a lot of fun, different stuff going on. She does a little bit of everything, so I really can't like pinpoint one thing to say that she does. I mean, she does do unboxings, but she also does a lot of other random stuff. So make sure you guys jump over and check her out. I was expecting this one. She did let me know that she got a few things for my son, so I'm super excited to see what she picked out for him. So here's the box here. It came from Amazon. Let's pop her open. I don't know why I don't have this stuff pre-opened, guys. Like, why don't I have this stuff open? I always have it open. Okay, let's try this. Okay, here we go. So, let's see. It's just a receipt, and this says, for Noah, hope he finds something in this that he enjoys from Tiffany Wears T-Shirts. I'm sure that he will, Tiffany. Thank you so much. All right, let's see. A fidget toy set. Oh, this looks like... Is it like blocks? Hold on. Guys, I have to... Well, I'll hold it up for you guys. Here it is. So sorry. But, like, I'm really excited because my son loves this kind of stuff. So let me just see if I get in here. Oh, my gosh, guys. Whoa, baby. This is not at all what I thought. I thought it was blocks. Guys, it is, like, chocked full of stuff. Ah! Guys. Okay. So, it's got... Let's see. Let's see if I can... put it in here as I do it. Okay, so let me just show you some of the stuff here. So we got like a little magic cube with these little fun guys here. And then I'm not really sure what all this stuff is, but I just kind of want to show you guys. Oh, look, a slinky. So fun. Okay, I just want to show you guys some of the stuff that's in here. That's like another slinky. And then, I don't know. That's cool, though. He'll probably... break that most likely, but that's okay because he breaks everything. So then we have like this thing here. I'm sure that's gonna get a glare, but that's super cool. Oh, okay, yeah, this is fun. Look at this. Woo, he's gonna love that. And I think this is a fidget spinner. Is that what this is? Yeah, I have to show him how to use it, but once he gets it, he'll be totally fine. Oh my gosh, look at... Okay. Ooh, this is cool. For them, like, just, it kind of keeps you busy kind of thing. So that's really cool. Look at this little football. How cute is that? That is adorable. Oh, this ball looks fun. Ooh. Oh, so you push, like, this stuff in, and looks like there's, like, a little bird or something in there. That's super cool. Oh, yeah, he loves the squish balls. He doesn't love those. So this, oh... got like actual little peas in it. That is cute, right? Oh my gosh, Tiffany, this is gonna be so much fun for him. So, and then there's an egg with some stuff in it. You know what, Tiffany, I might stick this in his Easter basket. I'm just saying, it's possible. No, I'll give it to him. That's super fun though. Ooh, these are fun. Like, I want to sit and play with this stuff. You know what I mean? Like, I want to sit and play with it. Forget about giving it to my son. Okay, and then just another toy to help him kind of play with things. That is so fun. Oh, does it come out of here? Oh, sorry. Oh, he's going to love this. One of those, I don't know how to explain it, but it's like one of those, like a lava lamp kind of thing. Oh, he's going to love this. Look at how fun that is, guys. Oh, that is super cool. Loving that. Yes. And he actually has a whole bunch of these. And he does play with them and loves them. So this is super fun. Ah! Thank you, Tiffany. And there's actually one more thing in here, guys. Let me go ahead and try to get it out of there because I put that stuff on top of it. That probably wasn't smart, was it? This is how you guys came here. Oh my gosh, I can't get it out of there. Okay, I think I got it. Alright, let me set this box on right here. Okay, so it is a dinosaur construct and play. Oh, yes. Oh, and it even has the little screwdrivers. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, he's going to love this. Look at this. So fun. Ah! Oh, I'm so excited. He's going to be busy for hours. Thank you, Tiffany. Now I can, record some more videos because he is going to be so busy with all of this stuff that I can just give it all to him and he'll be busy for hours. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, when you guys think of my son, it warms my heart so very much. So I didn't want to cry, but thank you so much to Tiffany Wears T-shirts, Jean Louise, Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and Sheila from Face and Fashions. All of them are lovely ladies. If you guys are not subscribed to their channels or have not seen any of their videos, make sure you jump over and check them out. I will link all of their channels in the description box below. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! My name is Amber Meeks. Today's Surprise Sunday, and how do I want to word this? I do this every single time. All right, hold on. So that was a pleasant surprise. So without further ado, let's see. I didn't know what to say. See what I got? I don't know. Let's try it again. Okay, guys, before I get started on the front mail, for those of you who are interested in my EarFleek, how do I even start this? Hold on.